Hi, Julie here. I, like most everyone right now, I've been working at home, and I've been fortunate enough to be working with a couple of great office mates. I've got Charlie right here, and I've got Xena, and they spend most of their days here with me in my office when I'm doing my work. That includes when I'm doing things like recording a new course. I think they're great for the sound. I think that, they probably help reduce the echo. It's always good to have more soft things in the office. But that sometimes can cause problems when things happen, like, a delivery happens or someone knocks on the door. So that brings us to this lesson that I'm here to share. And in this lesson, it's from my Consulting Skills for Power Platform Consultants course. And the goal of this course is to introduce you to the decision-making process of making Power Apps. So influencers on data model, how to make decisions for user interface, and so on. This particular lesson is about how to make decisions on repurposing a system table or entity and how those decisions are made. And it has a special guest appearance from these girls right here. Enjoy. Dataverse gives us a handful of out-of-the-box tables, common items like accounts, contacts, activities, and so on. And as we evaluated that and we were designing our data model, we had to take that into consideration. Generally, you should really think about it before changing out-of-the-box items like a primary entity such as account. Any data model is give and take of what the system gives you compared to what the users need. In our case, we had to decide if an account made sense or were we really tracking households. Dataverse gives us a handful of out-of-the-box tables, common items like accounts, contacts, activities, and so on. And as we evaluated that and we were designing our data model, we had to take that into consideration. Generally, you should really think about it and think through before changing an out-of-the-box item like a primary entity like accounts. Any data model is give and take, and we have to think about what the system gives us compared to what the users need. In our case, we had to decide if account made sense or were we really tracking households. And while we are truly tracking households for Happy Tails and not for accounts, would we be doing a disservice by renaming accounts to household? What happens if they need accounts later on to track vendors? Would we be better off making households a type of account? What happens later on when we've given them the system and they're in maintain mode and they try self-help, self-learning to find out more about their household tables, and they find nothing on the internet to help them because we renamed it from account to household. In the end, we decided that for the benefit of household outweighed any potential issues, mostly based on ease of use for our users, and the likelihood of any future issues were pretty low. So I'd like to invite you to head on over to 365.trading and join me for our Consulting Skills course. You may see a nice little cameo here and there from the girls, both Xena and Charlie. This particular lesson that we have is a discussion about using Xena? Why you do that? Okay, up. Come on. I was almost done, Xena. Okay. Okay. Can you lay down? Sit down. Down. Okay. Can you go down? Down? Right here, Xena. Down. I don't think you're in the picture anymore.